Hi Aquarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into some oracle decks. This is the butterfly oracle deck right here. Celtic Lenormand is something which I am going to dive into for a quick message from the universe. Aquarians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. First, the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the Seven of Pentacles. It's quite likely that in this period you were planning about the future. Maybe you were also somebody who was doing the groundwork. Possibly many of you were dealing with technical issues, maybe gadgets were malfunctioning, or maybe you were also somebody who was investing in a gadget. Nevertheless, I think many of you had made those inroads, or you may have gained financially. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Death card. You do have to attend to pressing matters. Maybe you cannot be someone who is resisting the change. You have to go with the flow rather than create those barriers for yourself. Sometimes, Aquarians, we have to settle for less than what we desire, but then this is the way forward. Besides, I think something is better than nothing. Influences for this month, we have the Nine of Wands. Possibly it could be very frustrating because despite doing the groundwork or the hard work, you're not getting the rewards that you desire. I think this is a very testing phase of your life. Nevertheless, I think this is also preparing you for the future. Aquarians, you will do well if you don't overreact to situations. Maybe there could be an estranged person who is wanting to re-enter your life this month, but you're not somebody who's going to entertain this person. While working with others also, I think Aquarians, you will do well if you cooperate with others. Perhaps you should have a collaborative approach and keep your ego aside. In this month, many of you will also benefit if you join meditation class, or maybe you should do some spiritual cleansing. The first 10 days of August, we have the Three of Cups. It's quite likely that in this period you'll be socializing, you'll be enjoying good food. I think you can also expect gains through your contacts, maybe through your friends and acquaintances. Possibly this is also a good time to promote yourself on the social media. I think you need to seek the help of younger people to get ahead in life. Basically, this is going to be a light-hearted energy. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you could be concerned about a younger person. Interestingly, Aquarians, this month, you could also be playing the agony aunt, or you'll be a confidant of sorts. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Communication is going to be enhanced in this period. Nevertheless, I think communication is also going to bring in gains. Perhaps you will get your past dues as well. Definitely you have your reasons to be elated because you're getting what you desire. However, emotionally it may not be your best period. Possibly, you could be blowing hot and cold. It is your temperament which is quite suspect in this period, and this could cause turmoil in your personal life. I think your poise is something which you should be mindful of. You should not let it desert you. Sometimes, Aquarians, you will do well if you would keep a distance rather than air your views. Maybe people could accuse you of being meddlesome as well. Aquarians, this month I'm also picking up that you need to be sensitive to the needs of your mother or a maternal figure. In case you're looking for better job opportunities, and you should be patient. Basically, you're being called upon to bide your time. Anyhow, working Aquarians, I think you'll manage to complete a lot of tasks. I think you'll also be somebody who's going to be happy with your productivity. Basically, when you lose focus, then you will be somebody who's going to shift to something else. August is also the time when you need to be flexible. Maybe your schedule could be disrupted a bit. Maybe your superior is somebody who could ask you to attend to other matters. That is why you have to adjust. It would also be advisable to give in to your clients' demands. It's best to have something in your purse rather than to have nothing at all. By the way, Aquarians, I'm also picking up that there could be some people who could take advantage of your kindness. Maybe they show no gratitude, or they are not acknowledging your goodness. That is why you will be a bit miffed. I think you will also be discussing with the management or the administrator about certain people who are hell-bent on creating mischief in your life or creating mischief in the work environment. From 21st to 31st August, we have the Knight of Swords. Again, adaptability is the key here. You have to have a very flexible approach. You have to adjust to the changing circumstances that are there before you. Perhaps, Aquarians, you're also going to be in an adventurous mood. Certainly, being flexible will make things easier for you. Largely, I think in this time you have to be prepared for the unforeseen eventualities. You have to attend to whatever comes up on a priority basis. It does help because you're going to be somebody who's going to go the extra mile to earn some bucks. Sometimes, you could be a bit peeved because your boss ideas seem completely impractical. Maybe there's ambiguity, or that is why it could get frustrating. I think technical issues could also bother you this month. Nevertheless, I think appreciation is on the cards for Aquarians. Maybe you're quite creative as well. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you have to put up with sluggish workers. Maybe you're going to be delegating responsibility, but then you're not happy with the output. I think you should also be careful because there could be appraisal on the cards. Maybe your management may want to deal with clients. Interestingly, the management or the administrator or a particular superior is also going to listen to your point of view. With respect to your love life, I have the card Observer. Possibly, Aquarians, you're going to be the silent observer here. Maybe you're also dealing with somebody who's cyber stalking you or who's watching you from behind closed doors. Nevertheless, singletons, you can expect admirers. In fact, they're going to lose their mind when they are around you. Basically, you're somebody who's going to revel in the attention. Loved ones could also play Cupid this month. Maybe there's a prospective suitor on a matrimonial site or on a dating site, but then you should take it with a pinch of salt. In case you're crushing on someone, I think most of you want this person to acknowledge his feelings for you. Perhaps we have the 9 of Wands energy, so this person may be a bit distant. Maybe he is also not going to express his feelings for you, or he is observing the proceedings, but he is keeping quiet with respect to his emotions and feelings for you. Perhaps this person is also concerned about spiritual matters, or maybe he has other responsibilities. That is why he doesn't want to be in a relationship with you. Those of you who are romancing, I think you will discuss work. I think you will be also somebody who's going to be quite free with compliments because we do have the 3 of Cups energy, so you may be quite flirtatious this month. Romancing Aquarians, I think you're also dealing with an insecure lover. Maybe he is scared of losing you. He's definitely going to try to impress you, but he knows that if he goes overboard, then you could lose interest. Nevertheless, I think you're somebody who's going to reassure this person that you have feelings only for him. I think for some Aquarians, there's also the possibility of a reconnection with someone from your past, but then these are early days. You should not read too much into it. Married Aquarians, I think you should avoid disagreements with your partner. Maybe there could be silly issues, or there could be arguments over the food as well. I think many of you could also be concerned about the health of your spouse this month. Sometimes, you may feel as though despite doing your best or the utmost, you're not acknowledged in the relationship, or that you're blamed. Perhaps you should ignore these issues. Interestingly, I think your partner is somebody who is going to try to pacify you. Those of you who are in an unhappy relationship, I think unfaithfulness could be an issue here. Perhaps a third person could also infuriate your partner by taking sides. Nevertheless, I think Aquarians, you can expect a lot of attention in this month. In fact, there could also be a choice in love here. Incidentally, from Lenormand, we do have this card, Heart. I think you're going to be somebody who's going to be all heart this month. Your emotions could play havoc. Maybe you should not let issues snowball into bigger arguments. You're also somebody who's going to be quite creative. I think your emotions are going to take center stage this month. Some of you are also picking up that you need to follow your heart. Maybe you're also being called upon to be more kind and compassionate towards other beings. Incidentally, from the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card, Family Changes. There could be a change in your relationship this month. Or maybe there could be a change in your family. Possibly, you could be a bit apprehensive about this shift because you don't know what's in store for you, but then you should understand that everything is unfolding as per the divine plan. You know, we did have the death card, which also talked about change. So, possibly you shouldn't resist the change which is coming into your life this August. For some of you, there could also be a change in the living condition. Maybe some of you are also growing apart in a relationship. Maybe the health of a loved one is also a cause for concern here. Nonetheless, I think you will benefit on account of your contacts and relationships this month. I hope Aquarians you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.